Hey everyone, it's Naomi with My Crafty Personality. I'm about to unbox my March subscription box of Resin and More Boxes. So this is a card that shows the featured suppliers for March. It looks like the resin is provided by KS Resin. Alcohol ink is provided by Woods Goodies, and mica is provided by Fun Shine Color Shop. And on the back, it states a few ways to make messy tiles. 1, color your resin with mica, then pour on your tile, using different colors on the tiles and be creative. 2, pour resin on the tile, then add drops of alcohol ink around the tile. Feel free to use a heat gun to spread the alcohol ink around the tiles and make a messy canvas. And 3, before pouring any resin, drop alcohol ink on the tile using various different colors. Cover the tile with ink and then use the mister filled with alcohol and spray the tile to spread around. Once satisfied with your work, pour resin over the tile. Have fun and make sure you share your artwork with them. Okay. This is a little thank you card, and in the previous boxes it has a little discount code there. So this box has 2 ceramic tiles. Ooh. It has a mister. Fine spray mister that you can put your alcohol in, and it says fill with 91% alcohol and drop small amounts of it on your tile before and after resin, and then mist some of the alcohol on the alcohol ink. Very useful. Okay. Here's the resin from KS Resin. 50 ml of resin, 50 ml of hardener, so likely a 1-to-1 mixing ratio. Oh, third tile. Awesome. Okay, little mixing cups with the little spoons, cute spoons. I love getting these cute little spoons. All right. These are the Woods Goodies alcohol inks. It looks like they have a Moscow Mule color, silver spur, and purple hooter. Ooh, can't wait to use these. Fun pink glitter here. And the mica powders are Sparkle Black, Sparkling Pure White, and Sparkling Sapphire. Who doesn't love sparkles? That's gonna be so much fun. Some Starburst, yum. And, ooh, it looks like this is probably paper for alcohol. Oh, let's see, actually. I'm not gonna assume anything. Ooh, foil. So there's gold foil. I don't want to mess it up. Pink foil. Ooh. Oh, I don't want to mess it up. Gold. Pink. So we can see the color. Beautiful. Let's see what else. Ooh, look at that blue. Look at that. I love blues. Perfect. Got like 3 blues in there. That's amazing. I love blues. Yay. Can't wait to use all of these. Awesome. All right. right, so stay tuned for some projects with all of my awesome new materials. If you're interested in getting one of these boxes, check them out. Oh, where is it? Right there. Resin and More subscription boxes. And stay tuned for a special video that's coming out March 8th on how to use these tiles with the materials in this box.